Okay, now you see, it is very important that what is the syllabus of your class 10 according to your board exam. Okay, so you must see the weightage of the each chapter and then you have to study accordingly that. Okay, and it is very important which question came from which area and how much weightage of that particular chapter and particular question. So now you can see number system. Okay, this 6 marks and the question contained here is three type of question are here. Later on I will tell you. Then algebra 20 marks. Okay, algebra 20 marks. Coordinate geometry 6 marks, right? Then geometry 15 marks. Geometry means triangle, circle, and construction. Then trigonometry divided into two parts. Trigonometry we have some simple concept, introduction to trigonometry. Then angles, values of the angles, and then simple identities of the trigonometry, Pythagorean identity, and then height and distance means application of trigonometry. Then mensuration, 10 marks, statistics and probability, right? Now chapter 1 is alone itself. Okay, so you divide the number of questions accordingly. You can see the 6 marks we will cover. Now in algebra there you will see polynomials, equation, quadratic equation, and then AP. Clear? Now in polynomials there are only two topics are there. Find the zeros and relation between the zeros. Okay, third portion is deleted. So only two portion is here. Right? Equation, linear equation of two variables. Linear equation of two variables. That there we have to see consistency of the equations means type of solution. Okay, unique solution, many solution, or no solution. Okay, then simple convert the equation and solve the value for x and y. Then graphical and algebraic. Substitution method and elimination. Cross multiplication this time is not in your syllabus. This is daily portion. Then quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. And then AP. Now you see there are 20 marks divided by 1, 2, 3 and 4 chapters. Clear? When details अब उसके बाद तो detail के अंदर कि किस chapter में कौन से question आ रहे हैं. Now then coordinate geometry. There are only 6 marks. Yes, in coordinate geometry, how many questions are coming this time? Distance formula and section formula. That is internal section formula. Okay, area of triangle is deleted. So only two concept is here. Two portions is coordinate geometry. Which one are there? Distance formula and section formula. Intersection formula. Right, that's very good. Then geometry. Okay, now you see what are 50 marks is here. One is construction and only tangent because cement triangle is already deleted, right? So construction is very marks, 3 marks is here. Then circle 3 marks and then triangle, cement triangle. Okay, there are two problems are there. 2 is deleted. So now you can see 50 marks you can divide. 3 marks construction, circle 3 marks, triangle 2, 1 problem, 3, 6, 9. How much minutes are remaining here? Suppose it's 5 marks question. Circle or it is 3 mark question. We can divide it and we can see okay how much weightage can be distributed in the different chapters. So easily you can find out which portion is coming in the examination, which one is important, and which question can be coming in the board examination. Right? Then trigonometry. Trigonometry trigonometry divide first. Simple concept of trigonometry. Find out the sine, cos, tan by using the triangle. Okay, and then question related to that, and then the values of 0, 30, 60, 45 and 90, and then simple identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. And then mensuration. Area related to circle. Definitely can the question in examination. Area related to circle, surface area and volume, and then finally statistics and probability, that is 11 marks. Okay. But next time I will tell you which are the important portions from the each chapter. You have to do study for that. Right? Yes.